Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all about my everyday skincare routine for glowing skin. I'm not going to be doing too much talking, but don't forget that the products are going to be listed in the description box. So let's just get right into it. Starting off, I have this Ultimate Skin Spa from Vanity Planet. The Ultimate Skin Spa comes with 3 different attachment heads: the silicone brush, the exfoliating brush, and the daily cleansing brush. Silicone is also very durable. You don't have to worry about changing the brush head every few months because I know that can get expensive. I love this Skin Spa brush because it helps gently deep clean my pores and it removes excess oil and makeup, and it also can prevent future breakouts. But this one is better because it comes with a traveling case that is heavy duty and it's extremely gentle on the skin. I am so excited to be able to share this 70% off link with you. It's down below in the description box for this Ultimate Skin Spa. It's originally $125, but you can get it for only $39. Just go ahead and click the link in the description box and use the code ENSPA. Now that is all the talking I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go, but I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video and enjoy the music.
Keep holding on to your thoughts like rejection, but if you're with me, you're secure. Shining so bright, strawberry champagne on ice. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Sex by the fire at night, silk sheets and diamonds all white. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. That's what I like, and I like the way you look back when you throw that thing on me. Hold up, wait, slow down, babe, just have some patience with me. I'ma pull up the skirt, put on your skirt, put it in reverse for me, so I can give it to you. I know you like how I did that. Switched it up and brought it back. I could be my own feature. Easy call, nice to meet you. What it do? I really like what you think to me. I can't explain it. I'm so into you. I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl was hiding on your ass and body, so don't even get to clapping now. Red bone, won't you pop it for me? Pop that, pop it for a G. Drop that, drop it for a E. I got a beach house in Miami. Wake up with no jammies. Lobster tail for dinner, fettuccine with the skimpy. I got it. If you want it, girl, I got it. Come and get on it, girl, I got it. All night to the morning, take my wallet, whatever you want it, girl. Jump in a Cadillac, let's put some miles on it. Anything you want, anything to put a smile on you. You deserve it all. So I'm gonna give it to you. Yeah, pretty brown eyes, you know I see you. It's a disguise the way you treat me. Yeah, you keep holding on to your thoughts like rejection, but if you're with me, you're secure. champagne on ice. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like.